Welcome to Clinivid Meetings and how to run a virtual meeting. You can use the inbuilt audio and screen sharing facilities. First, log into your web account of Clinivid Meetings. Choose the meeting you would like to connect virtually. Once you are at your meeting, you can see on the top right corner a small blue video icon. To initiate the audio sharing and video sharing, please use the icon. Once you clicked on the icon, you can see who else is connected. You can mute yourself, you can share your screen, you can exit the conference, or go to full screen at any time. To activate the patient information, choose either the gallery or summary view on the top. To take notes of the meeting, please activate the notes field that is minimized on the lower right. Save the notes so they will be associated. To go back to the audio sharing conference, you just click on the field. With any questions, we're always happy to help. Contact support@clinivid.com.au.